So now we got a whole bed for hot peppers. This one's a little bit bigger than the sweet pepper bed, isn't it?
Yeah, they grew a little bit taller. And this is where the Anaheim peppers are. There's some big peppers.
And the serrano and the jalapeno.
Yes, this is the hot bed.
Yeah, there's some tomatoes.
There's a lot of peppers on here. Yes, some more big tomatoes. That's the L crops I put in there.
Oh, you like them L crops, boy.
Yeah, because you can...
Look at those grapes in that corner there.
Yeah, they're all plumping up. We shall have table grapes this year.
Yay, grapes. Melon.
Almost. These are our
tiger melons.
Tried to grow them last year, but this year we've got quite a few on the vine that made it.
Yay, tiger melon. Now, what's that supposed to taste like?
They're supposed to be very sweet and like a little individual melon. So
like a little baby watermelon looking thing.
Yes. I think mites got on this one because the leaves started looking funny, but I sprayed it, so they're starting to look a lot better. But
which you spray it with?
First I tried some hydrogen peroxide solution because I thought it was some kind of fungus on there, and then I put neem oil.
Oh, so which one worked better?
I think neem oil, so it might have been some kind of mites on this particular bean plant. So, and on here, these are the pole beans, and they're all flowering. So we'll have another variety of string bean coming on here. It's up here with Swiss chard,
marigolds, and
extra beets, our celery, this dinosaur kale.
Marigolds is almost as big as you are.
Sprouting, these are
looks like we're gonna have some speckled lettuce over here.
I spaced it out because earlier in the year I did, just cut and come again lettuce. But I decided to try to see what it looks like headed up, and we can take these out now. This is the speckled lettuce, and this is some of that romaine lettuce. So they're all a nice big head of lettuce. And
we did that in the horticulture one. That one's got sticks in the bottom and rock and logs and stuff. That was a very nice one. Yeah, and this I put collards to grow up top, so when it's really hot, that's their shade. And they shade the beets also. Yeah, I see them beets. I just plucked a lot of the leaves because I wanted to start converting some of the greenery into storage food. Here's the white pumpkin. And here's the little sugar pie pumpkins, and I've been taking, as they've been getting about this size, I've been taking them off the vine. Side of the house, man. Yeah. Malabar spinach that survived over the winter. It's over the fence. Yeah. And that's our loofah gourd over the fence. Oh, the loofah. Fancy stuff, man. Have a nice luxurious bath with the loofah we grow in our own backyard. Yeah, hopefully without... This is onions. Yes, this is our little onion bed. First time I've really had success with onions. I've harvested some out of here. They're huge. Golf ball, baseball, softball, what do we mean huge? Softball size onions. So I did good this year with these. And I had 3 leeks. I took one because I wanted to cook it. How did it go? How did it cook? It was awesome. They're very strong flavor. And it came out great in food. Nice. And at the end of this bed is our red onions. I didn't plant a lot of onions because red onions, I hadn't had real good success with onions, but all of these are softball size, baseball size onions. So I think I cracked the code in growing onions. This is one good one. I could see that. Even with the sun in my eye. And that's our turnips seedlings that I planted in here. There was green beans, but they had it, so I put turnips. Some volunteer tomatoes from last year. Boy, them tomatoes volunteer everywhere, man. And these are our new strawberries. And look at here, I'll show you. They put on big strawberries. Big, sweet strawberries. So that's great to add to our strawberry patch, which I have to thin this year, the June bearing ones.